Before starting the drawing, I imagine where on the paper I want it to be positioned. I will try keeping it above the number 11 line from the bottom. As usual, I start at the top and work my way down. Once I have the location of the face, I imagine the position of Sleepy's nose before I draw it. I then use the nose to position the other facial features on the character. When finished watching this video, please remember to watch the end screen videos, best method for drawing, and print copy from a video to gain the most out of learning to draw by using the gridline method. Remember to concentrate on drawing the lines positioned in each individual square. You can slow or pause the video at any time to help you see, or print the final drawing in gridline paper to work offline, at your own leisure. Sleepy's favorite thing to do is sleep, and he is always ready to fall asleep at any moment. Being slower than any of the other dwarfs, and with his slow reflex, he tends to injure himself often because he can't get out of his own way in time. He is not dim-witted though. It is Sleepy who understands the animals that have come to warn the dwarfs that Snow White is in danger when the witch is at their cottage.